want shit. I'm at the condo, posted right now, serving shit. J's in the crib, get it in and out the door. I get my flow clean right now by J. I ain't touching no broom or touching no mop. I'm be honest with you, I ain't touched shit in a couple years. I'm still getting it out the door. I push everything around the city, that's for sure. 4x4, couple trucks right now. Everyone lined up, they all pay for show. The engine in the last one, I just put it on the road. I just crashed the last one for sure. Now I'm about to buy 4 more. Money put up like a motherfucker, I'm turned up. But I'm in the hood whipping, in the hood chopping, trying to get this shit back. A real dope boy, I make it all off crack. Real dope.